Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a year since I last did a video and I wanted to start making videos again. Whenever I post like a hairstyle on like my Instagram and you guys sometimes ask questions, I love answering your questions. So I decided that making hair videos again will be really helpful to you guys and it would bring a lot of joy for me. This year I have a goal of getting to 20,000 subscribers by the end of this year. And I want to make a video every week. I just want to teach, and that's something that I've found a lot of joy in, and I don't do it very much. So I thought I could start doing it more by making these videos. So for my first video, I'm going to be explaining / showing you how I did my rainbow mannequin head. The mannequin head that I used, it's my longest one, and she had dark brown hair. So I had to bleach it before I could color it, and I wanted to get it to as light as possible. So I did have to bleach her hair twice, and the first bleach, it was like a major difference, and there wasn't actually a whole lot of orange, which was kind of surprising to me, but also great. And then I bleached it again the next day. So for the rainbow look that I was going for, I wanted the top section to have like a prismatic / holographic rainbow, and for the rest of the hair to have rainbow strips just like around the head. So for those of you who don't know what like a prismatic or holographic rainbow looks like, you should look it up. I don't really know how to explain it, but it looks really cool. So I had actually seen a YouTuber named aka Esthair do it on her hair before, and immediately I knew that I wanted to do it. The only thing that I copied from her is the prismatic top section, and then on my mannequin head I just did strips of rainbow with the rest of the hair. Hey guys, just gonna pop in really quick. As I was editing this video, I realized that I didn't explain the procedure for how to get this prismatic rainbow effect very well. So I decided to pop in really quick, and I am in my house this time, so just ignore the background noise. I colored this picture, and each section going down means the length of each section, and then going across is like going the length of the head. So for the prismatic section that I did, I just took like the top crown section basically, and I started at the front of the face, and I took a thin slice of hair, and I started with red, and then orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and all the way down until I was done with this section. And then once I was done, I took down another section just right behind it, and instead of starting with red again, I started with pink, and then went with red, orange, yellow, and all the way down in rainbow until I was done with this section as well. This top column of color represents the very first color that you put on for each section. For these very first colors, you want to do rainbow in backwards. So this is the front of the head. I started with red for this very first section, so that meant that I need to start with pink, because pink comes before red, and then purple comes before pink, and blue comes before purple. And you keep on doing that. When you're going down the length of the hair, you just do in regular rainbow patterns. So for the second section, I started with pink, and when you're going forward in the rainbow section, red comes after pink, and then orange comes after red, and yellow comes after orange, and you just go all the way down. And then you move on to the third strand, and you start with purple. So after the purple, you want to do pink, because now you're going to go in rainbow color down the length of the hair. So once you're done with the entire section and you've washed the hair and dried it and straightened it, this is what it should look like when it's all straight and laying flat. So that's what I did for the top section, and then for the rest of the hair, I just sectioned it out into 13 sections. So I did red in the front sections, and then I followed it with orange for the next sections on both sides. So both sides were matching, and then yellow, and then in the center of the back I ended it with pink. The reason I wanted to do red in the front is because for the top section, I started with the section nearest to the front of the head, and I started with red for that section. So then if I started with red for the rest of the hair, it would mean that when I pulled the hair up, you would see red and rainbow on the top for the front. And then for the back, you would see just rainbow in columns kind of. So I kind of feel like with like the technique, I get like so many like things I can do with it. Like basic ponytail, like it like from the front you mostly see red, and then you have like rainbow on the top, and then from the back you get this like peekaboo of rainbow. And like when I curled it the other day, I loved how you can see like the ombre rainbow on the top, and then it just blends nicely into the rest of the hair, and you still get to see the rainbow colors underneath, which I'm really happy about. So yeah, so overall, I'm just really happy with it, and I'm really excited to do hairstyles with it. So hopefully you found this experience helpful or just entertaining. And once again, I'm excited to be making videos again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.